Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x, or if we divided both sides by 2 to the power x, we will have 2 to the power x over 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x over 2 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power x over 2 to the power x, or 2 to the power x 2 to the power x will cancel out, so it will be 1 plus it can be written as 4 over 2 whole to the power x is equal to 8 over 2 whole to the power x, or 1 plus 4 over 2 is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 8 over 2 is equal to 4 to the power x, or 1 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power x, or 1 plus 2 to the power x is equal to, it can be written as 2 to the power x whole square. Now if we consider 2 to the power x is equal to m, so we will have 1 plus m is equal to m square, where m is equal to 2 to the power x, or taking this left side to right and writing right side to left, we will have m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The solution of this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ca over twice a. Now applying this formula, we will have comparing this a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 1. So we will get m is equal to negative of b means negative 1 plus or minus square root of b square means negative 1 whole square minus 4 times c is equal to negative 1 times a is equal to 1 over 2 times a is equal to 1, or m is equal to negative negative, it will be positive 1 plus or minus negative 1 whole square is equal to 1, negative negative, it will be positive 4 times 1 times 1 is equal to 4 square root divided by 2, or m is equal to 1 plus or minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, so it will be square root of 5 over 2. So m can be written as 1 plus square root of 5 divided 2, or m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Taking positive, m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and taking negative, m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, or substituting the value of m is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. or taking log both side, we will have log 2 to the power x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or this will be x log 2 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or dividing both side by log 2 we will get x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 divided by log 2. So finally the value of x is equal to log 2 base 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and from here m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2, or substituting the value of m is equal to 2 to the power x, we will get 2 to the power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Here the power of 2 is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 is negative, so 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 is always negative, so left side will be always positive and right side will be always negative, so there is no real solution from here, so it will be rejected. There is no real solution, so the only real solution x is equal to log 2 base 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.